All right, good Monday afternoon. It's a beautiful autumn day out there, continuing the trend that we had this past weekend with temperatures in the 70s. Very comfortable, dry, low humidity, and plenty of sunshine as well. A few more clouds mixing into our afternoon skies. It's mainly driven by our winds coming in out of the northeast this afternoon. That's keeping our temperatures quite cool at 70, but keeping that moisture aloft in the form of some of that cloud cover. Dew point in the low 50s, so feeling really pleasant out there this lunch hour. 69 right now in Smithfield and Nahoski, 70 in Gloucester, 71 Melfa, and 69 in Currituck, 73 Williamsburg, 71 Edenton, 70 at the beach, and 68 in Wachapreak. So here's what we're looking at. That autumn trend continuing tomorrow as well. We'll see similar temperatures to today, but from there on out, we'll start to warm things up. And by the end of the week, we'll be back into the 80s. We're looking at cool, crisp nights and warm, pleasant afternoons. We're dry as a bone, though, right into next weekend with no widespread rain chances. Coming our way right into Saturday and Sunday. We could use the rain, though. We wrapped up September with a deficit, but on the year, we still have a surplus. So that's good. High pressure over New England, driving those winds out of the northeast today. Not particularly strong, but enough to keep those clouds floating on through our skies. Not a crystal clear afternoon, though. 73 tomorrow, and eventually see those temperatures climbing upwards. Excuse me. Average this time of the year is right around 75 or so. We're going to be well above that by Thursday and stay kind of warm right into the upcoming weekend with highs topping out on Saturday right around 83 or so, so well above average at that point. Here's how it shapes up on FUTURECAST. Again, really good depiction of the clouds floating on through our skies later today. Once that sun sets and we lose the daytime heating, the clouds diminish, winds die down or calm, and that's going to set the stage for a great radiational cooling night. All the heating from the day radiates back out into space, and temperatures, as a result, pretty much end up where we were this morning, in the upper 40s and low 50s. The closer you get to the coastline, a little bit warmer, up to around 60, 62 or so. Tomorrow, very similar day to today. We'll see a few fair weather clouds, temperatures hovering in the lower to mid 70s, and then a similar setup again in the overnight hours. Just a tad bit warmer. Will likely drop in the low to mid 50s before we warm things up a bit more by Wednesday. And right through Friday, we'll eventually get into the 80s. All right, 73 out there today. Mostly sunny and cool. A few clouds at times like we're seeing right now. Northeast winds at 5 to 10. And then tonight we fall back to 57. This is closer to the coastline, but you head farther inland, and we're seeing those temperatures down in the 40s again. So a crisp start to tomorrow under clear skies and light winds out of the northeast at 3 to 5. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. Seeing those temperatures very similar tomorrow to what we're going to see today. By Wednesday, we're at 76, and we climb eventually into the lower 80s and stay there into the upcoming weekend with no real threats at any widespread rain. Dry as a bone into the weekend, guys.
That's such good news.
Yes.
We need that right now. Thanks.
All right.